Hey, what's up, everybody? All right, so here I'm at a local Walmart, and we got three Fast and Furious premiums. Well, silver line, right? So this set is boom, the Fleet line, which is new. Chevelle SS. Now this one is a metal base. Dodge Charger. We got Lycan Hypersport. This one is pretty heavy. It might be a metal base too. Then Mazda RX-7. Then I also found the new unmarked print Boulevards. So Mercedes. Bear with me. We've got Skyline. So I mean, we've all seen these, but it's still just cool because it's, they're unmarked. I can't get that out. The Subi, and then the Civic. So I'm taking like 3 cars. Friends are taking a set each, and then I'm picking up a couple of these cars for friends as well. So yeah, that's really all there is. I got the super rigs, but nothing that I need or that anybody else is into. Just unmarked, re-released Boulevards, and Dominic Toretto Fast and Furious. That's really it. As always, guys, good luck finding what you need. Peace.